So I have some good news and some bad news. The good news that should get everybody excited is that we have broken out. We have broken out of our trend to the upside, which is a great sign. You guys can see that in the charts. We've been broken out for over a day now, and this is showing some consistency. In fact, the volatility is really falling quite quickly on SHIB, and this is even with about $1 billion of trading volume a day. So what we're seeing is good. Okay, we're seeing a lot of strength and a lot of support in these levels. Now, the bad news is that we're still fighting some resistance. We're still fighting some hard resistance at 4028, right? Not surprising. It's a range that, even back here on Wednesday into Thursday into Friday, we were fighting to try to break past that, not having much luck in doing so. Now, the great thing is that if you bang your head on this time and time again, if you keep feeling this pressure from the downside or from the bottom side to move to the upside, eventually you can get a little burst. You can pop right through this. It would not surprise me if at some point here over the next 24 hours, SHIB does break through this, gets a little pop, right? A little push from the downside. Now, why I say that, and of course, this is not financial advice, is that when we look at the SHIB moving averages, we can see that this 20-day moving average is sitting right underneath the current price that we're at. It's actually helping lift SHIB price up a little bit. It's done it in the past before. You guys can obviously see helping lift price up, helping lift price up, helping lift price up, right? The 20 SHIB, for whatever reason, the 20-day seems to help it a lot in terms of getting just a little momentum. That's all we need is just a little momentum to the upside here. Okay. Now, again, we're seeing very similar structure to actually what we're seeing in terms of the BTC charts as well. You can see that again, we're holding this ascending trend line here. You can see that on the BTC charts. You can see that on most charts in crypto. We're back to this very, very tight correlation, I guess is the best way to describe it. Most assets are moving together. Most assets are following what BTC is doing. And right now, BTC is showing some good signs. Now it is sitting right about, at this trend line. I'd like to see it separate a little bit. I'd like to see it break through some of these 4-hour moving averages here. But the trend is getting set back in the right direction. The trend is setting up for positivity. Right now, BTC is sitting just above 65K. That's a great sign. SHIB, again, is still trying to fight through this trend line. I mean, if SHIB was going to make a breakout here, I would think that it would happen sometime today. Now, this is not a guarantee or anything like that, or at least overnight heading into Monday. Again, not financial advice, but that's when I would hope it would break out of this trend. I don't like to make shorter term trends on 4-hour charts like that. They can get kind of wild, right? But either way, right now, the area that SHIB is living in, let's see if I can draw this, is right in between here, basically 4028 and 4024. Regardless of whether we break to the upside or even if we kind of bounce around in here, it wouldn't surprise me if that at some point SHIB makes that explosive move to the upside. It's just a question of when, right? Now, there's no guarantees in crypto. The market could flip around, right? We could see some bearishness, and that would obviously drag the price of SHIB down again, just based on the heavy correlation that we're seeing with the rest of the market. But don't be surprised if we get a pop. So just wanted to share that with you. Hope you guys have a great Sunday. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you think we are going to get this pop to the upside out of this 4028 range, or if you think we're going to see some sideways trading, some retracements, but let me know. Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.